Hello and welcome back. So here we're going to be looking at multiplying and dividing numbers that are in standard form. So the objective here is to multiply and divide numbers in standard form using knowledge of the basic laws of indices. So a quick reminder, so if we have x to the power of a times x to the power of b, what we do is we add the powers, so that's going to be x to the power of a plus b. And if we're dividing x to the power of a with x to the power of b, we subtract the powers, so it's x to the power of a take away b. So here's an example. So we need to calculate the following, leaving the answers in standard form. So I should say leaving your answers in standard form. So with this, what we could do is convert them to ordinary numbers, multiply them, and then convert them back to standard form. But the whole point of standard form is it makes big and small numbers easier to deal with. So instead of doing that, what we can do to make our life a little bit easier is we can just do 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then we can do 10 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 6. And I know that, so 10 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 6, because we're timesing, we add the powers, so that's going to be 10 to the power of 11. So the answer here is 6 times 10 to the power of 11. So this example here, I'm going to do the same thing. So this time I'm going to do 4 times 5 first. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then I'm going to do 10 to the 5 times 10 to the 6. So again, I'm going to add the powers. So I'm going to end up with 10 to the power of 11. Now, the issue with this is this number is not currently in standard form. So the reason why it's not in standard form is because, again, for it to be in standard form, this number here has to be between 1 and 10. 20 is clearly not between 1 and 10. We need to shift this number to put it in standard form. So what I need to do is I need to divide 20 by 10, so it ends up as 2. But I've just made that 10 times smaller, so I need to make the power of 10 10 times bigger for it to still balance. So this becomes 2 times 10 to the power of 12. This one here, so I'm doing 1.2 times 10 to the minus 3 times 9 times 10 to the power of minus 6. So I'm going to start off by doing 1.2 times 9. So I know 12 times 9 is 108. So 1.2 times 9 is going to be 10.8. And then I've got 10 to the minus 3 times 10 to the minus 6. So I'm going to add the powers. So I have 10 to the minus 3 times 10 to the minus 6. So that's 10 to the power of minus 3 plus minus 6. So we've got a plus and a minus, so we minus. So I end up with times 10 to the power of minus 9. So 10.8 times 10 to the minus 9, again, that's not quite in standard form because 10.8 is bigger than 10. So I need to make it 10 times smaller, so I need to make it 1.08, which means I need to make this power of 10 10 times bigger for the number to still be the same. So if I make the power of 10 10 times bigger, I get times 10 to the power of minus 8. Here's another example. So this time we're dividing. So we need to divide the following and leave the answers in standard form. So we do the same thing, but again, rather than timesing, we're dividing this time. So this time we're doing 6 divided by 4. So 6 divided by 4, that's 1.5. So we've got 1.5. And then we've got 10 to the 5 divided by 10 to the 2. So when we're dividing, so 10 to the 5 divided by 10 to the 2, we subtract the powers. So 5 take away 2 is 3. So I end up with 10 to the power of 3. So my answer is 1.5 times 10 to the power of 3. This one here, so I have 9 times 10 to the 8 divided by 3 times 10 to the minus 5. So I'm going to start off by doing 9 divided by 3, so that's 3. And then we have 10 to the 8 divided by 10 to the minus 5. So when we're dividing, we subtract. So it's 10 to the 8 minus minus 5. 2 minuses make a plus, so that's going to be times 10 to the power of 13. This next one, so it's just written differently, but it means the same thing. So the line on a fraction means divide. So we need to do 1.8 divided by 3 first. So 1.8 divided by 3, that's 0.6. And then 10 to the 4 divided by 10 to the 8, that's going to be 10 to the minus 4. Now the issue with this is 0.6, that's less than 1, so it's not in standard form. So we need to make it 10 times bigger. So if we make it 10 times bigger, we end up with 6. And that means we need to make the power of 10 10 times smaller so that it still balances. So that's going to be 10 to the minus 5. Okay? So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. Here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!